Yeah, so we're gonna do, I think it's target.sort.
Or it'll be nums.
My bad.
Okay.
Say start pointer, because it's starting. Will be to the front, to the beginning, which is 0. It's 0. Yep. And then we're gonna go length -1, I think. Then we're gonna loop through the array. I think so.
While
Okay, no.
while
I think
start
it's,
and end don't equal each other, right?
Yeah. While start, it's not equal. Yeah, I think that works.
Yeah or nay?
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, and then we're gonna say if nums at start plus nums at end it's greater than target, we move start +1. We said start plus equal 1. And then elif, yep.
Oh, you want to just do an elif?
Yeah, because I think that will work better. Because if you do an
Else
if,
is equal, right? Else.
Yeah. But if you do an if statement, it will get the start +1, and it will use that index on that start. You get me? Yeah, so that'll I think that'll create a little bit of problems. Yeah, and then return. Okay, here we need to create an array, because we have to append them into. We have to return an array. I think we
Whatever.
have to return an array. Ooh, you're nasty. Yep.
Yeah or nay?
Yeah. Or you can just return the
start.
Yeah, right there. Let's go. All right, so I think this works.
Okay.
All right, run it.
Come on.
Ooh. Okay, go down.
Sorry.
Let's see. Yep, no worries. Okay, right there. Orcus has a point. We have to return not the index, the values. So we have to do num start, nums end. Okay.
Oh.
Mamma mia.
Oh, dude. You gotta get you can't sort them because the indexes is different.
Oh,
that just made me upset.
Damn, that threw my entire approach down the drain. He means by the complement is that we subtract each number -9, right? Minus the target number, right? And then we check, okay, so the complement, which 2 minus 9 is 7, 7 being the complement. If that's in the array, get the index of that.
I like that. Okay, let's rewind, everyone. Act like we just started. Hold on.
All right, so we're gonna loop through the array.
For
I think it's
length,
yep.
nums. We're
Yep.
doing
And now you're
-1
gonna say,
or no?
I don't think you need -1 in this case. I'm not sure. If comp in nums return I a bracket I like in a list, I, comma nums dot index of complement comp.
Oh, there's always a solution though, right?
Yep. Run it and see what we get. Oh my god.
Oh, it used the same number twice.
Oh, it used the same number twice. Check if comp equals nums and I does not equal to nums dot index comp. Ooh, let's go.
All right, you want to just go at it?
Go at it. Let's see.
Oh, I don't want to do that.
Just go for it, my guy.
All right, please.
Let's go.
Let's go.